A day after the Supreme Court commuted their death sentence, Tamil Nadu's cabinet has sought the release of Rajiv Gandhi's assassins. Now, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has also asked the government to respond to a recommendation within the next 3 days. The state's government's proposal has put the centre in a complete fix.
In Tamil Nadu, more than anything else, only political battle is going on. There was a statement by DMK chief that if 3 persons are released, he will be doubly happy. The immediate reaction from ADMK government was, why 3? I am releasing 7. That seems to be the attitude in Tamil Nadu. As far as we are concerned, we are very sad today. The memories of Rajiv ji and 18 Tamilians who were killed along with him and their families tinkles in our mind. Whatever it may be, now the request has gone from state government to the central government. Like they delayed 11 years to dispose of the mercy petition, an immediate action should be taken by the central government on this request.
Well, this is a very welcome decision. This is in accord with the human rights jurisprudence that has been evolved by the Supreme Court. And for the first time, the rights of death row convicts have been delineated. It will go a long way in advancing the jurisprudence of humaneness and human rights. And I welcome, because the decision of the Tamil Nadu government is perfectly in accord with the spirit of the Constitution. The prisoners who have already spent more than 23 years in jail are entitled to be released if they were originally convicted for life sentence, and now that their sentence has been reduced to that of life imprisonment, they are entitled to be released under the rules which are applicable. If their behavior in the jail has been good and there has been nothing adverse against their behavior, they are entitled to be remitted the remainder of their life sentence. And this decision is welcome, and it is good that the Tamil Nadu government has taken prompt decision immediately after the death sentence has been commuted.
Even as controversy grows on the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's decision, where she's warned that she will use state power, the government has said that Rajiv Gandhi's killers will not be released.
Those who assassinated Rajiv Gandhi ji should not be given any relief. That was the position of the Attorney General. Now that the court has rendered a decision, we naturally must abide by the decision of the court. We may or may not agree with it, but we abide by the decision of the court. But I have one question for the BJP, and that is that they were baying for the blood of Afzal Guru, and I am surprised that when it comes to other assassins, they don't even utter a word. I think BJP has something to answer for.
The legal position is, under 434, they have to only consult the central government and not to get the consent. Consent not at all necessary for invoking 434. Even otherwise, they need not invoke 434 at all. They can invoke 161 of the Constitution. Directly they can, the powers conferred under 161, they can release all the 7 convicts without any consultation or consent from the government. So probably the government wanted to invoke only 434, so they wanted to have a consultation. But definitely they did not get any consent from the government. Whether they give consent or not, the state government have the power to release all the persons.
The government has decided to release the Jayalalitha government has decided to release Rajiv Gandhi's killers. We have with us Ram Jethmalani. Mr. Jethmalani, you are saying that this is the right decision to take. Do you think that this has been done keeping a political advantage in mind?
What are you talking about, political advantage? This is a question of law. The law permits a sentence of death, not sentence of death plus life imprisonment. You have given them both.
No, but 2 days.
Please, now I'm not prepared to argue with you. You are
in the in the Madras High Court.
Now,
the state government was opposing Nalini's parole.
I have not come here to discuss with you. Please take my opinion. My opinion is that this is a right decision that has been taken. You can't give a person a sentence of death and then keep him for life.
देखिए, मैं समझता हूँ कि जल्दबाजी में किसी नतीजे पर नहीं पहुँचना चाहिए। ठीक है, माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक फैसला दिया है, लेकिन उस पर पुनः विचार करना चाहिए, क्योंकि राजीव जी की जो हत्या हुई थी वो एक षड्यंत्र के तहत हुई थी और इसको जल्दबाजी में किसी नतीजे पर पहुंचना उचित नहीं होगा। मैं चाहूँगा कि तमिलनाडु सरकार इसको रिव्यू करे।